In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew Progressive insurance. If your policy is coming up for renewal, the process is usually quick and straightforward, especially if you already know where to look and what details to review before confirming anything. The goal here is not just to renew your policy, but to make sure your coverage still fits your needs and that there are no surprises with your premium. To get started, go to Progressive using either the official website or the mobile app and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look for your policy details and find the renewal section. This is where Progressive typically shows your updated offer for the next policy term. Next, take a moment to carefully review your renewal offer. This is an important step because your premium, coverage limits, deductible amounts, and policy terms may have changed since your last policy period. Read through the details slowly and make sure you understand what is staying the same and what may be different. If anything looks unfamiliar, this is the best time to catch it. After that, update your policy if needed. For example, you may need to adjust your coverage, update vehicle information, make changes related to listed drivers, or correct personal details on the account. It's a good idea to make these updates before you finalize the renewal, so your policy reflects your current situation accurately. Once everything looks right, go ahead and confirm your renewal. This means accepting the renewal terms if you're satisfied with the premium and the coverage being offered. Before you continue, it helps to do one last review so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. The next step is to pay your renewal premium. You can usually complete the payment using your preferred payment method directly through the website or app. If you're enrolled in automatic payments, make sure the payment is scheduled correctly and that your billing information is current. This can help prevent delays or accidental lapses in coverage. After payment is completed, you should receive your updated policy documents. Be sure to download or print your renewed declarations page and your insurance ID cards. Keeping these documents handy can save time later if you need proof of insurance or want to review your policy details again. Finally, verify your renewal status.